Right, so I'm at the stage now where I'm at the quarter panel. So I've just done that little dent at the back. So I've got to cover the rest of the car yet. Just going to sand it down now, the paintwork. Shaped the filler a little bit. I've knocked out I've panel beated it as much as I could. So I've got the shape as best I can, so it's a little as possible filler as possible. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to sand it all down now. And it seems such a shame. It's just that little tiny dent on the corner of the whole. I would just blow it in, but I might as well do the whole quarter panel. So and then I mean it's a good match because I've done the bonnet and the wing, and I've done various other things like the back bumper and the front bumper, and you can't see a different colour. So it's a really good match. I don't need to blend in. Hopefully it might be different when I take that off. So if I have to, I don't mind spraying that door and that front wing. And I pretty much sprayed the whole car. So yeah, so if it is slightly different, I will just spray the whole lot, because there's imperfections slightly. You know, there's a couple of little chips just on the front wing there. And then the door, it's got a couple of little nicks here and there, so I probably will end up doing it anyway over time. Yeah, so yeah, here we go. Start getting this done now, and yeah, see you soon. Right, so I've got it all prepped. I found a couple of low spots. There's a little dent there, a little one here, and a couple of little ones down there, down below, and there's one just at the top of here. I couldn't really see them before, to be honest, but after I'd sanded it down, I could see the low spots in it. So, and also I've done the filler as well in the corner. There we go. All ready to go. I just followed a trace of the boot lid. So I kept on opening and shutting the boot quite a few times. I panel beat it as best I could, and then just give it a little bead of filler. So I'm glad I've done it now. I was going to leave it until the winter, but I just don't know. My eye just kept on going straight to that corner as I was walking up towards the back. So yeah, so see how we get on. Now it's the paint is mixed, base coat, and then lacquer, and it's done. And then I've got thermostat to do, a couple of little bits and pieces. That's it really. It's ready for the road. Right, let's get cracking. Right. Fuck off. Right, so I did start it before, but I got a bit of reaction sort of here, and here. So now I'm gonna do it again. So that's the dark bits done, and then the next coat will be, the next going over will be the full hit. Right, I'm all over now. Right, I'm going to give that a few more coats, and then it's lacquer. No reaction so far, which is good. Not like before. So that's the last coat. I did 2 coats of lacquer, then I did the third coat 10% thinners, and then I did the last coat with 20% thinners. That's me. That was all. I don't know if you remember on the first video when it was the car wash. I think it's as a short. The car wash, it was that was pretty banged up there. So I panel beated it out like I said before and filled it, and now look at it. Looks absolutely spot on now. So I'm really pleased I've done it now. Got over those reactions. So it was bubbling up here. And it was also up here as well, strangely. And there's a little bit down there as well, noticed as well before. So, but what I did to do is buzz it back down and start again, basically, re-primer it and then base coat and lacquer. So, yeah. Right, I don't know what I'm going to do next now. I think it's tomorrow. I think it'll be thermostat. So, and it's got the spaces for the wheels. Front wing wheels, 20mm. So that should be tomorrow's job, I think. Too tired today, but yeah, that'll be interesting to see how that performs, how that goes. I got some wash for the roof as well. Top coat. Got some shampoo. It come in a post like this. It doesn't look like at first it's like, well, what the hell is this? And it was you mix it in water. So that's shampoo, and then I got some black dye for the roof as well. It doesn't need it, but I think it'll just give it that fresh look. So it'll give it that real fresh new look, you know, because I've done the whole car pretty much. So it's just, you know, it's had a lot of work now. Thankfully I can do it all myself, because all this in the body shop would have cost a fortune. So I'm going to get my heat lamp on this now, set that up, and then tomorrow I'll remove all this paper and see how it looks. Thanks very much, guys.